Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can delete all videos on YouTube for your channel. So what you want to do is the first option is when you want to delete one video, just click these three dots and you can just delete forever. But if you want to delete all of them, you can select all, click edit, more actions, and delete forever. You just click it. Of course, I'm not going to delete my videos, but this is just the tutorial how you can simply do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, thank you everybody. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.